RAIS William RUTO ugite thirikari kinini kawatana nanto kiombe kenda kulegede MUBANGO ya universal health coverage akiaria RUTO ugite thirikari kawata mbaru rangiro kuthondeka ndawa kenda kubongela Kenya kurukia ugite bakethira kinya baitagaira kairi uribu goti rwanginero. Rais wa Kenya William Samoei Ruto na ariritie mantu yegie ugima bwa mwiri amwe na mibango irabainio okulukira MUBANGO universal healthcare akiwa bakawatanira kinya nando anyite cha thirikari kenda kuingia ontobono thiero ugima nibo kwithira nende bokie kawa.
Universal healthcare is not one thing. It is not one facility. It is a symphony of many elements coming together efficiently and effectively. It is facilities like this and many more, research, training, health workers, social insurance, local manufacturing, and other many components weaved together that will give us universal health coverage.
Ruto na kwithira gita na mbere na kwariria mantu ya wendia no bwithia pointo byogima mwanka ukinyira Antonio Ntobo agitumi kiri utethia kuingia MUBANGO ya UHC atariria mawatho yara ya kurukitwe kenda kulikithia Ntobo.
October 2023, just last month, I assented to 4 bills, namely the Primary Healthcare Act 2023, the Digital Health Act 2023, the Facility Improvement Financing Act 2023, and the Social Health Insurance Act 2023. These laws provide the legal framework and institutional foundation to accelerate the attainment of UHC.
Rais Ruto netite na mbere na kuria menza mwana KEMSA kuatanira kendo tigira mathaga yogima nya kwithira nindi akinyela Kenya na njira uthu njira raugite nindi kethira bakuna bukatha.
For 37 years, MEDS has played a leading and significant role in the supply of medical commodities in Kenya and beyond. Since the advent of devolution, MEDS has supplied over 7.5 billion shillings worth of medical commodities to counties and government institutions, playing a complementary role to KEMSA. I encourage the two organizations to strengthen their partnership to exploit opportunities that will benefit Kenyans.
Nekirete wirane ati thirikari kawatanira na ndoa nyingi inyite cheki thirikari chobwithia bondawa na mathaga yangi yarongiro rogima kenda kwagirithia na kubwithia buru ontubo.
The government will work with the private sector to actualize universal health. We will review the tax regime and cost of doing business in the pharmaceutical sector to make Kenya a regional pharmaceutical manufacturing hub.
Akiaria kire kigomano kiu Minister wa ugima bwa mwiri Susan Nakumicha na watete Ntobo mbaru akiwa nendi babangete otira mukenya ate kwethira kithangika kire mantu yegi ugima.
This institution is a critical cog in delivery of healthcare in this country. We have our institution, which is KEMSA, dealing with the supply chain, and KEMSA serves close to 60%. MEDS in its own, Your Excellency, serves 20%. So if we put MEDS and KEMSA together, that gives us 80%, which is critical in the 80-20 rule in ensuring that we get our supply chain right for medical products and technologies.
Kiambu and Kajiado counties